We're going to be discussing the benefits and drawbacks of boxing every day. Boxing is a great workout. It's challenging, it's fun, and it can get you in great shape. But, like any exercise, it's important to do it safely and responsibly. In this video, we'll take a look at the pros and cons of boxing every day. We'll also talk about some tips for making sure you're getting the most out of your boxing workouts without risking injury. 1. Physical fitness. Boxing stands as a complete workout regimen that engages every muscle group in the body. Unlike traditional exercises, boxing requires a dynamic combination of movements, footwork, punching, and defensive maneuvers, all synchronized to enhance strength, endurance, and agility. The cardiovascular benefits are profound. The high-intensity intervals during a boxing session elevate heart rate, improving overall cardiovascular health and stamina. Furthermore, the repetitive nature of boxing movements, such as throwing punches, engages core muscles, leading to enhanced core strength and stability. The footwork involved not only improves lower body strength, but also promotes better balance and coordination. Additionally, the training drills in boxing, whether it's shadow boxing, heavy bag work, or sparring, create an intense calorie-burning session. This not only aids in weight management, but also boosts metabolism, contributing to a more efficient calorie burn even after the workout ends. The diverse range of movements, combined with the need for speed and power, challenges muscle groups in unique ways, fostering muscle toning and overall functional strength that translates to improved daily activities and reduced risk of injury. Overall, boxing's physical demands not only sculpt the physique, but also enhance overall physical capabilities, making it an exceptional choice for those seeking a comprehensive and effective workout routine. 2. Mental discipline. Boxing is a sport that demands a high level of mental fortitude and discipline. It's not just about throwing punches, it's about strategic thinking, focus, and maintaining composure in the face of adversity. The training regimen in boxing requires a consistent and dedicated approach. Boxers must adhere to strict routines, often involving repetitive drills to perfect techniques. This repetitive practice instills discipline, patience, and perseverance. It teaches individuals that mastery and improvement come from consistent effort and dedication over time. Within the ring, boxers must stay focused, analyzing their opponent's movements, anticipating their next move, and reacting swiftly. This level of concentration hones mental acuity, enhancing cognitive abilities such as decision-making, spatial awareness, and quick reflexes. Moreover, boxing is a sport that teaches resilience. Boxers often face setbacks, whether in training or during actual bouts. Learning to cope with these setbacks, adapt, and bounce back stronger fosters mental resilience, a trait that extends beyond the ring into everyday life, enabling individuals to tackle challenges with a more positive and determined mindset. The discipline learned in boxing translates into other facets of life, whether it's managing stress at work, staying focused during academic pursuits, or simply approaching daily tasks with a determined and disciplined approach. In a sense, boxing isn't just a physical challenge. It's a mental discipline that cultivates focus, resilience, and a strong sense of determination, qualities that prove invaluable in navigating life's hurdles outside of the ring. 3. Stress relief and confidence. Boost. Boxing serves as a powerful outlet for stress relief. The physical intensity of the sport allows individuals to release pent-up energy and emotions in a constructive manner. The act of punching bags or engaging in controlled sparring sessions can be incredibly cathartic, providing a healthy way to alleviate stress and tension. Furthermore, the endorphins released during a boxing workout contribute to a natural mood elevation, reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. This release of feel-good hormones not only improves mood, but also helps combat anxiety and depression, offering a mental sanctuary amidst life's pressures. As individuals progress in their boxing journey, the sense of accomplishment derived from mastering new techniques or seeing improvements in speed and agility translates into heightened self-confidence. This newfound confidence isn't solely about physical prowess. It extends to a belief in one's ability to tackle challenges outside of the gym. The mental and emotional strength cultivated through boxing empowers individuals to face life's adversities with a more assertive and composed demeanor. Overcoming the physical and mental challenges in boxing fosters a belief in one's capabilities, boosting self-esteem and allowing individuals to navigate life's obstacles with greater assurance. Beyond personal confidence, boxing also fosters a sense of empowerment and autonomy. Knowing self-defense techniques instills a feeling of self-reliance, contributing to an increased sense of personal safety and security. Ultimately, boxing isn't just about physical gains. It's a transformative journey that provides a much-needed escape from stress while fostering a resilient and confident mindset that permeates various aspects of everyday life. 4. Community and camaraderie. Boxing gyms often cultivate a unique sense of community and support among its practitioners. The shared passion for the sport creates a supportive environment where individuals from diverse backgrounds come together with a common goal: improvement and growth. Within these gyms, trainers and fellow boxers often form a tight-knit community. There's a culture of encouragement and mutual respect where seasoned practitioners mentor beginners, sharing knowledge and experiences. This mentorship fosters a supportive ecosystem where everyone feels welcomed and valued regardless of skill level. The camaraderie extends beyond the confines of the gym. Boxing events and competitions often bring the community together, further solidifying bonds among practitioners. These events not only provide an avenue for showcasing skills but also serve as opportunities for shared experiences, fostering friendships that often transcend the sport itself. Moreover, the supportive network within boxing gyms creates a positive environment conducive to personal growth. The motivation and encouragement received from peers and trainers can be a driving force in pushing individuals to achieve their goals, whether it's mastering a new technique or improving overall fitness levels. The sense of belonging to a community that shares a common passion for boxing provides individuals with a support system that goes beyond physical training. It becomes a source of inspiration, motivation, and lifelong friendships, making the boxing gym not just a place to work out, but a second home where everyone is united by their love for the sport and each other's success. 5. Adaptability and problem solving. Boxing is a sport that constantly demands adaptability. Opponents bring varying styles and tactics into the ring, requiring boxers to think quickly, adapt their strategies, and find solutions on the fly. This adaptability isn't just about physical movements but also about mental agility, assessing and responding to an ever-changing situation. Training in boxing cultivates the ability to think critically and make split-second decisions. Boxers learn to analyze their opponent's movements, identifying patterns and weaknesses to exploit while adjusting their own tactics to counter effectively. This constant need for strategic thinking hones problem-solving skills that are applicable far beyond the ring. The capacity to adapt under pressure in boxing translates into real-life scenarios. It teaches individuals to remain calm and composed when facing unexpected challenges, enabling them to think rationally and devise effective solutions, even in high-stress situations. Furthermore, the adaptive nature of boxing training, switching between various drills, sparring partners, and techniques, develops a mindset that embraces change and diversity. This flexibility not only enhances physical performance but also prepares individuals to embrace change in other aspects of life, fostering a mindset that is open to new experiences and challenges. Ultimately, boxing isn't just about learning to throw punches, it's a training ground for developing adaptability, problem-solving skills, and the ability to thrive in dynamic and ever-changing situations, providing individuals with valuable life skills beyond the boundaries of the sport. In conclusion, boxing isn't just about throwing punches, it's a holistic experience that nurtures both body and mind. Whether you're seeking physical fitness, mental fortitude, stress relief, or a supportive community, boxing offers an array of everyday benefits that can truly transform your life. Remember to lace up those gloves, step into the ring of life, and embrace the countless advantages boxing has to offer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep fighting for your best self.